Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you ProBien Case for iPhone X and XS. I'm an owner of the ProBien Case for the iPhone 11, and I like it so much, so I have to buy for my second iPhone, that is the iPhone XS, and case too. And I used this ProBien case because it has so nice covering around 360 around my iPhone, and it feels really good. It feels safe and it feels protected. Yeah, because it is a liquid silicone full protective cover with free tempered screen protector, shockproof double shell compatible for Apple iPhone X or 10 and iPhone XS 10s, 5.8 inches, and this came out at 2018. My iPhone was 2018 released, and I chose again the black version. I like black very much. So you have here a premium screen protector. This is true. Protective shell for iPhone X and XS with a free tempered screen protector. One-stop shopping provides convenience to you and saving your money. It will protect your glasses from your iPhone up to 2 meters of dropping distance. This is awesome, but I will not show you that it works. This is too dangerous for me, okay? Because my iPhone is not so cheap. It is really expensive. It is a strong protection, soft microfiber lining inside, prevent against scratches, while silicone outer defend against shock and the drop thing, and give robust protection even as the phone is dropped from 2 meters. You have built-in safety materials. The case applying high-quality liquid silicone, which is safer and more environmentally friendly, providing smooth skin feeling, fingerprint-resistant, and nice fingerprint performance. You have, in this case, a supporting wireless charging option. That means if you install this shockproof cover for iPhone, it supports wireless charging too, without removing the cover. And I have in all my rooms at home QR charger, so I have to charge, or I'm going to charge my iPhones with QR code, with QI charger. So my case, my liquid silicone full protection cover has to apply this. And it's easy to clean. Any dirty stain and dust that gets on the bumper case wipes off easily. As you can see, I'm wiping a little bit and the dust is gone. Keep your protective case always in clear status. And this is really right. I choose this a second time because it is good. Silicone case for iPhone X and XS in 5.8 inches. And you have a free tempered film for the front side. That means you have a 360 covering around your iPhone. This is really awesome, and I think it's really good. It is a liquid silicone case. It acts as a cushion when dropping your phone. 2 meter protect your iPhone when it will drop out of 2 meters high. Wow, this is awesome. 2 meters. You have a structure details. That means the outer rim of your case is liquid silicone. After this comes a layer with PC. After this comes a layer with TPU, and then come microfiber. And this microfiber you can see and touch and feel, and your iPhone will feel it too if you assemble it into it. You have a liquid silicone material. It is clean by damp rag easily, anti-fingerprint, and environmental protective material. Awesome. professional protection, and you have one flat surface on the backside after you install this case. It is only 2 millimeters higher than the camera and the screen. This is nice, because so much users are angry about this camera mountain on the backside of your iPhone. With this case, you will melt it to 2 millimeters. Awesome third feature of this case. So that it is. Oh, it's available in different colors. You do not have to buy black. No, you can choose red, you can choose yellow, or you can choose sand pink. Maybe next time sand pink. Okay? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.